So we have learned children in the previous classes regarding gender equality. Okay, let me further elaborate it. Hope in your house you are treated equally on par with the male partners or male brothers and other people. So you know it, children, we have been growing up with other girls, we have been growing up with boys, so parents never show. But in some houses in the rural area still there is a kind of what we call unknown favoritism towards males than the females. ओके, गर्ल्स को बहुत सारे रेस्ट्रिक्शंस रहते, ऐसा नहीं हंसना, बिना बोले घर से नहीं जाना. बट वेर एज men boys can go to their friend's house, okay, without any information, and they can come back, they can roam around the city. But whereas these girls don't have such kind of freedom still today. So there are many restrictions for the movement of the girls. That is called as a discrimination, children. So we shall learn about a few girls and fewer women. If few girls are there, tomorrow we will be having only fewer women. So all this discrimination had very sad consequences. For example, we find the proportion of the females in the Indian population is constantly decreasing. In 1951 में देखें तो पूरे 1000 men, how many females they have? If you see, we had 946 females. हर 1000 बच्चों को 946 बच्चियाँ थे. Per every 1000 males there are 946 females were there. Whereas in 1981 तक आया, तक क्या हुआ? Okay, by 1981 this has decreased to 934. That means there were many girl children who got killed, who were killed. It is called as female infanticide बोलते हैं उसको. Why? Because of various reasons. Okay, there is a inclination to have a male child than a female child. Okay, so because of that female infanticide जो है वो बढ़ गई. Infanticide बोले तो क्या है? Infanticide बोले तो okay, the girl child being killed before birth or girl child being killed before the age of 4-5 years is called as female infanticide. After that again it rose to, from 1934 again it rose to 1940, and by 2011, and by 2021 we need to again get the population statistics, which has to be conducted next year. So now let us look at the situation in Telangana region, because हम ये जगह से हैं. तेलंगाना में situation कैसा है? Per every 1000 males को how many females are there? So if you look at that situation, Telangana in 1991 per 1000 males there are 969 females. The situation has improved by 2011. Today there are 988 females are there per every 1000 males in Telangana region. India में, this is what I have spoken about entire India. Okay, this is what I am speaking about Telangana region. Per every 1000 males in Telangana there are 988 females. And you know, this place Telangana among the best states in the country in regard to the sex ratio. This is called as sex ratio. Sex ratio बोले तो the number of females present per every 1000 males is called as sex ratio. So in regard to the sex ratio, Telangana is in better position. However, among children under 6 years, अगर आप 6 साल से नीचे बच्चों को देखें तो we can see that the number of girls per every 1000 boys is rapidly declining even in Telangana region also. So this has been decreased from 1991 to 2011. In 1991, per every 1000 boys there were 978 girls who are below 6 years of age. By 2011 this has fell down to 933. That means the newly giving birth for the female has got decreased in Telangana region also. This means that actually the situation is not improving, but it is deteriorating, it is decreasing. Normally equal number of girls and boys should take birth. Okay, but if the proportion of girls is less, it means that girls or women are not able to live a healthy life in our country, or they are dying early than men. But why is this proportion constantly decline? This may be due to many reasons. It may be because some families, young girls do not get sufficient nutritious food and they die, and they may not able to survive and suffer from diseases. Girl children in India also face discrimination. Yes, in many houses, girls face discrimination over the boys. They doesn't receive proper medical treatment also. In recent times, proportion of girls has reduced also due to female fetus infanticide, and it is a social practice where girl children is killed before they are born. In the womb only, okay, abortion karte they abort the pregnancy and they kill the girl child within the womb. That is also a very bad practice among the people who favor the boys. So this all made happen only because of the technological advancements which gave people a choice of giving birth only to the male children. But there is a difference even in the literacy levels also, which we shall see in the next class, children, about the literacy levels between the male and female. Thank you, children.